In this guide, I'll show you how to change your PSN email address on PS4 so you're signing in with your new email. So the first thing you want to do is select settings and then go to account management. And from here, you want to select account information. Now, once this page loads, what we're going to be doing is changing our email address. So go ahead and select sign in ID, email address at the top. And once you're here, you'll see your current sign in ID email address. And what you want to do is input your new one. Then you want to press confirm at the bottom. Then you'll get a verification email sent to the new email address for your PSN, and you want to verify it. And once you come back to your PS4, simply go to settings, and we're going to go back to account management, and you're going to be asked to sign in. Then go to sign in manually at the bottom, and you should see your new sign in email address at the top, and then you just want to input your password and select sign in. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.